Hi, I'm Jake from Seller. In this video, we'll be covering landing pages. Landing pages are very handy. It's essentially a standalone web page used as a marketing tool to encourage prospects to engage with a singular call to action, like signing up to your mailing list or purchasing a specific item. A landing page isn't a normal page on your website, so it wouldn't include any site navigation. Instead, the whole page would be dedicated to this one call to action. For example, pair a landing page with a tempting promotion, add some sharp images, and you have a great strategy to convert the average visitor into a paying customer. I won't talk too much about what you should be focusing on when making a landing page, but you'll basically want to be offering a clear, direct value proposition so that they're very likely to follow the links you provide, rather than getting distracted and moving on to the next thing. So let's talk about making the page itself. Seller makes it very easy to add pages. First off, go to Edit mode and click on this button up here, Other Pages. This little menu lets you add and edit the pages on your website. At the bottom, just type out the name for your new page. In the drop-down box, select Landing Page, and once you're ready, click Add New. It's been added to the list. To open it, as well as with any other pages, click on the title. Now, this page is completely empty. Perfect. That's exactly what we want for a landing page. If you're familiar with the content block system, you should feel right at home. The only thing left to do is fill the page with content and link people to the right place. I've prepared images for this already, but as always, make sure you check all of the size guidelines. Okay, so I'm going to be using this banner with a single button as the centerpiece. Any text on this page will attempt to encourage people to click on this button. You ideally don't want to clutter the screen with too much content, so I'll fill the page out with some very minimalistic imagery so it's pleasing on the eye while not being too distracting from this primary call to action. To find the link to the page, go back to the Other Pages window and click the pencil icon. It should simply be the name of the page with dashes instead of spaces. Add this at the end of your domain, and you're good to go. As you can see, actually creating the landing page is really quite simple. It might take a little while to design the layout, set up the images, and get everything looking just how you want it, but the block system's really flexible, so you'll be able to make something really great, and you'll have the freedom to make it as engaging as you want. Especially if you also work with dedicated graphics designers or content creators, these types of pages can make a massive difference when you're trying to convert people for sales or gather information for a mailing list. We'll likely be covering this in a lot more detail at some point in the future, but for now, that's all you really need to know. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you achieve your e-commerce goals. Until next time, happy selling.